Hi guys, welcome to the first live video of Bank Nifty option trading. I am a system trader. As per my system setup, the this is the Bank Nifty spot chart. As per my setup, the closing of this 15 minutes candle is my entry. I have taken the entry here 243. See at 243, exact 243, I enter the trade and trailing SL is I kept the SL of 60 points. Okay, and I will trail SL every 10 points up movement our SL will move to 5 points up. This is my process. Okay, after that, okay, we'll see our trade is running in minor profits. Okay, in this candle is our entry. This is the spot chart. Okay, I will show you. This is the spot chart. This one is the option chart. 243 plus 30 is 273. 273. Okay, 273 to 273 to 79, it's made a high, but 273 to 283, if it's crossed this, I will move my SL to another 5 points. Okay, now SL is 45 points left. Our target is at 363, right? This is the spot chart, this is the option chart. Option chart, see, as for systematic trade only, trade was executed as per setup, as per plans, as per rules and conditions only. Okay, target is placed as per setup only, SL is placed as per system, and trailing SL method also chosen. Okay, we will blindly trail our SL2 with process. Okay, you'll see how I follow my process. Sometimes my target will be increase but not decrease. I will not compromise in my target, but SL is always, sometimes it will 30 points, 40 points, and 60 point is max, and it will decrease. This is the biggest advantage of my trading system method. Okay, we'll see. You can see here the PNL also, running PNL minor. Okay, I made I am recording this video for learning purpose. You will see, you can understand how systematic trading works. How while trading, what are the emotions will arises while discrimination trading. Either it will arises in systematic trading or not. In systematic trading, if you following any system with discipline, no emotion will disturb you. This is I am feeling. Okay. Simply we follow the process. We will see our trade will end within these four condition only. Our trade either will exit with hitting the profit targets or trailing SL method. You see, my initial SL was 183. This is my initial SL. Okay, I will mark this with red. This is my initial SL. SL was initial. This is my initial SL. My trailing SL moved to 198 now. Okay. This is how smartly we will minimize our risk. We'll see our trade will end within these four conditions only. As per my setup, either it will exit with hitting the target price or else the movement of our trailing SL. While moving our trailing SL also our trade will exit by hitting or else fixed SL. Fixed SL. If we enter the trade sudden reverses, then we will exit with fixed SL. Initial SL exit. And one more important exit is timing SL. If trade not made any target price, not hit any target or SL, TSL also, then exact 3 o'clock manually I exit the trade. This is my rules and condition as per setup. Okay. I hope you understand the method. We'll see. We'll discuss after exiting, after completing this trade. We will discuss important point also. Okay. See guys, if this candle, this price touches the 283 price, then I will move my SL to another 5 points off and I will keep here 283. After 293 is my trailing SL movement. Okay, here we'll keep this one here. This is the entry. This is the entry. This is the TSL. TSL I will mark in this color. Okay, this is the initial SL. Initial SL. This one is the target. Target. We'll see what will happen. I will trail my SL as per method only. Okay. Okay guys, it's time to trail our SL 5 points up. 198 plus 5 203. Okay, now my SL at 203 here. 203. If this line touches, again I will move to 5 points up. It will move to another here. 303 touches, then again it will move to 5 points up. Okay, I will wait for this line up. Now our SL left 40 points. Our risk to reward ratio becomes 3, 1:3. Okay, we'll see. We'll continue this process only where it will end, right? With cool, calm, we will follow the process only. Our focus towards only for process, okay, not towards profits. This profit will increase and decrease, and it will disturb you also if you focusing. You focus towards to process. Process is very important. Discipline, right? We'll see what will happen. If trade reverses suddenly, then okay, we have SL is in our favor. Okay, this SL will save you. This trailing SL with minimum loss, we will exit this trade. We'll see. Okay, we'll move another 5 points up after touching this line. If it touches this line, we will move 10 points directly only. Okay, first we'll move 5 points up. Trailing SL is very important. 205, 208. Okay, 5 points up means 208. If it touches this line, it's made a high of 302 near. Okay, we can move another 5 points up. 213. 213. Right. 213. Why? Because it's near only. 213. Our SL become 213. See how smartly we minimize the risk. Only 30 point risk left. Then our risk to reward ratio becomes 1:4. Okay. This is my process. Again, I will keep this to above. 303 means 313. Okay. This is our deadline. 313. If this line touches, then we will move to another 5 points. Our profit running near 3-4k. We'll see. It will change. We'll follow the process only. Okay. If price touches this line, then only our trailing SL will move 5 points up. Already we moved this point. Okay, it's touched this line. We will wait for this line to touch for trailing purpose. Okay, we will keep this at another 10 points up. This point we will move 5 points up. This point we will move another 5 points up. Okay, we'll see until I will mute this. Okay, price hit the 313. Okay, then we will trail our SLA another 5 points. How much? 5 means 213 plus 5, 218. 218. Just follow the process. Don't think about result. Okay, 218 is our SL. 25 SL, our risk is 25 points only, then our risk to reward ratio becomes 4.8, near 5. Okay, we'll see. After this we will move this to 333, this 10. If your option price touches this 323, we will move another 5 points. Okay, we will wait for. See guys, again we came near to our cost, at cost only. See, our job is to follow process only. Okay, Guys, if price touches the 323, I will trail my SL to another 5 points up. Okay. Whenever there is a opportunity to trail the SL, I will trail it. Okay. This is how smartly we minimize the risk. This is the method. We'll see. Yes, it touches the 323. I will trail my SL to another 5 points up. 218 plus 5, 223. 223 is my SL. Okay. 223 is, if it touches the 333 point, then I will trail to another 5 points. I will keep this to 343. Okay. Another 5 points, 10 points up. If price touches this 333, I will trail my SL to another 5.8 up. Now my SL at 223. Now SL left only 20 points. Okay, our risk to reward ratio becomes 6. 1:6. This is how smartly we convert the risk. This is the process. This live video I am recording for who want to become a genuine trader. It might help them little bit. Okay. Now our profit running at near 8k. We'll see. Don't bother about profit. Again we came at 6k. Then again it comes to at cost, and minus 1k also we reached. Again it bounced back. This is the process. We can't do anything. Blindly we not enter the trade. Blindly we not exit the trade also. In fear or greed also we will not going to exit. By process only our trade will be exited. Right? Now next my plan is to, if price reaches the 333, I will trail my SL another 5 points up. We'll see. Our target at 363. Still target is intact. This is the spot chart. This is the option chart. Okay. I will trail my option. I will trail my trailing SL is based on option chart only. But entry is based on spot chart. Okay. Another opportunity to trail my SL at 5 points. 3 to 228. 228. This is 228. Now 15 point is SL. 343 is next my trailing method. Okay, it's come to, we will keep 353. Another 10 points. Okay, it's reached this 343 line. Another 5 points I will move. Just do 333. Like process only you can do this. Not a wait. Keep SL at 233. Okay, SL at 233. Now my SL at 233. Our SL left only 10 points, means only 1k. Okay, this is how smartly we convert the risk. We are near to target also. We'll see what will happen. Again also we will not blindly exit the trade. We'll wait for the perfect process. Following method is very important. This line touches, again I will move to 5 points up. It's made a 351 I think, but It's near to 353. Okay, we'll wait. In trading, following method and discipline is very important. Okay, if it reverses and hit the SL also, no issue. We have minus 1k only risk. Method is very important. I will always focus towards process only. If price touches the 353 line, then another 5 points I will trail my SL. Okay, we will near the target point, but anytime it will reverse also, no issue. Be ready with everything. Okay, be ready with SL also. This is the process. See, we will still it's not touches the 353 line. Okay, okay. If in my method, one more important point is that whenever the target candle start near the target price, I will give upside little bit movement for more points. Okay, see, we'll book it, modify limit 3 374. Okay, we can exit at 374. See, our trade was executed with plus 10 point, I think 10 11 points. Okay, it will also okay. Our trade exited with hitting the target price. Okay, this is how smartly we follow the process. I hope if you are a Option trader, it might help something for you. See, I waited, I think it's around near 1 o'clock, 12:49:50. Here order book, I entered at 10:29 and 58 second. Second is very important in my method. This candle, 10:15 candle. This 10:15 candle will close at 10:30. 10:30. We entered, the candle remains to close within 2-3 seconds only. I enter the trade. Right? I enter the trade on the based on spot chart only. I will enter. Chosen the ATM is the strike price 37,600 CE. This is the CE. I have chosen 60 point initial SL and trailing SL method is also every 10 points up movement. I will move my SL to 5 points up. Okay, and target is initial target is 120 points as per setup, but sometimes it will increase also. I have conditions for target also. This is how we done the trade. And sometimes see today how I emotionally stable manage the trade. Enter the trade, it moved up 60-70 points up, then it comes to near entry price only, then again it moves to towards target. There is no interfere of fear and greed. This is how you have to master this. On time only you will get everything. Okay, this is the process we done today. We booked the 13K by risking at beginning 6K we risked. Again it comes to near 4K. Again our risk reduced to 3K. Again it's keep on reducing. Risk is reducing, but target is increasing. This is the biggest advantage in your trading. If you have a small account like 50K, 1 lakh, then buying option also you can generate little bit amount. If you liked the video and my live trading video, please comment and like the video. Okay, we'll meet you in next live trading video. Until subscribe the channel. See, we entered the trade at 10:30, exited the trade at 12:15, 12:50 means 2 hours. Okay, trade taken 2 hours. We need to process is very important. I will end the video. Thank you.